Select Floors offers superior carpet flooring installation services across Greater Atlanta. Getting great new carpet flooring installed has never been easier. You can schedule your free in-home estimate online and let us get in touch with you. Stop by our showroom, conveniently located in Marietta, or call us at 770-218-3462. We have been in the flooring industry since 2003 and have an extensive collection of custom carpet flooring that we will help you browse through. We make installing new carpet easy, fun, and exciting. We serve the entire Atlanta area from Cumming to Buckhead, Ackworth to Duluth and beyond. Our installers will come to you and provide you with a free in-home consultation and take measurements of your space. Love your new floors and love your space when you enhance your home with brand new carpet. Call 770-218-3462 today.